Hey, good afternoon. How are you? Let's have a look at this kit. A good look at the BM-8-24 by Miniart. She's being really annoying today at the moment. She's on a mission to annoy the hell out of me. Well, anyway, let's have a look at this. So I'm just weathering up that border. But this is a good little kit. I really like the T-60 that Miniart does. Bloody brilliant. Brilliant little kit there. So I got this one. Now that's the mid version with the full steel wheels. This is an earlier version. You see they've got the spoked wheels there. So you can tell that's an earlier version, T-60. It's very nice, really nice. But it's got these rockets on it, which is really cool. This kit's really bloody nice. It's I got it on special, but it's not that expensive. I think it retails for about 66 Australian dollars. And so you get the really nice instructions, of course, with all the painting options, like usual. Yeah, it's nice. I do like that. That decal's in there. But you got your main ones here, so that's the one on the front, and they've put an 11 in there as well, so you got another fighting unit, and that's the 1942 one, and you got another 1942 one, but they've just said, you know, put a bit of whitewash on it. So that's how it is, the usual instructions. So what you get in this kit here is that you get those as well. And so you get all these rockets, and you see all the decals you put on them. So they do come up very detailed. I'll show you the rockets in a minute, but you got to stick those fins on, and you get 2 boxes. So you do get quite a lot in this kit. You see, you get one of these sprues, you get one of these sprues, one of those, one of those, one of those. You get the decal set with all those, you know, marking options, and you get the Photoetch set, and you get all this other stuff as well. But let's have a look at that now. Alright, so the first thing we're going to look at is you get a big pile of these rockets. So you get the rockets there. See, they're very nice. Detail on the rockets. They're pretty big too. It's Elsie playing with her new toy. She got a little bird. See? It chirps when she plays with it. She loves it. Yeah, so you get those with the fins. So you get a whole bunch of those. So you get a whole heap to make a whole heap of rockets. You see there? You get a whole bunch of those, and you get the usual tracks that you get with the T-60. Very nice, but they're very small. Be very careful when you're cutting them out. And you see they got the 3 points there. There's a real weak point in the middle. It's joined by one little piece of plastic, so be careful. These are pinless, so you're going to have to do the glue method with this, get them together, but that's quite easy. I've got a video on my channel showing you how to put those together pretty easily. So you get those, put them back in their bag. You get 3 sets of the return rollers. Now these are parts for the, this is the ammo box, first of all, so you get 2 of those. I'll give you a good look, because I like Miniart boxes. Miniart boxes are nice. And you get a whole bunch of these ones to make up the rocket launcher thing. That's the rear side, and that's the face. You see the nice bolt details on them. A lot of plastic there for just little parts, eh? which is nice. So what else do we get? So this is the interior sprue here. The interior sprue, you get all the interior parts. So that's the ammo. So sorry, I was trying to. That's the ammo boxes. Yeah, you get all that. So there's the machine gun boxes. And this is all the stuff that goes inside. So it's full interior. And you get the transmission parts. All that. That's the radiator grill. Driver's seat. Driver's seat does come out nice, but the headrest that it attaches to is very delicate. There it is. See, it joins with two little spokes. Yeah, that's a problem, because I've built a T-60, of course. I know all the problems already. The face. You get two of these sprues. This is just another sprue. This has got the covers for the torsion bars, and it's got a battery and fire hydrant, driver's thingy. Those things, you get two of those, because you only need, there's not a heap of torsion bars on the T-60. You get like 4 of these, I think. So yeah, you get the casings. There's Photoetch to replace the clips. You get those things where I can't remember what they are. The wheel. You get the suspension arms, all that kind of stuff. They go in the radiator. You get a whole bunch of those. Those are wheel. They're for the wheels. Wheel suspension, whatever you call it. So the decal sheet, because the stickers are so small, it's not that big. So it's just a little decal sheet, and you get the one light and a little light. The Photoetch is very nice on this kit. Although it's a small Photoetch set, it's a very effective Photoetch set. And you'll end up seeing afterwards like, well, you know, this thing's covered in Photoetch. It's a really, really nice Photoetch set. They're the triangles on the fenders. See, look at all those clips with tiny little wing nuts. And you can get wing nuts. The wing nuts, these tiny little wing nuts here, go on this rear thing. Plate comes out looking really good. So you get a whole heap of Photoetch there, and it's really a good Photoetch, really effective. They've made really effective use of Photoetch, and nearly every tool is used. They've got clips for every tool, which is good. But I don't think this earlier version has any tools on it. Oh, it does. It's got a couple. It's got a few. So let's have a look here. So we've got some body. They're the rear plates and the front plates. As you can see, very little cleanup required. You'll need to clean up a couple of ejector pin marks on that. You do have to clean that because it's seen. We've got a bit more of the body. That's the driver's hatch. That's very nice. Very well done, that driver's hatch. Comes out really nice. Everything in this kit's really nice. Once again, you do need to do a bit of cleanup work on the back, but it's only those bigger ones. They're really well placed, those ejector pin marks, so you don't have too much of an issue with that. You see what I mean? And here's some more interior parts. So this is the engine. Very nice engine it comes out. Photoetch included. All the, you know, they're like just stuff that goes with it. There's the exhaust pipes, the fans. Really nice engine. Bloody nice engine, actually. Alright, so next thing's next. We have a whole bunch of these sprues, so let me get them all out so you can see how many you get. Yeah, four of them, five of these. So these are the wheels, the older wheels, which I was really excited about. I like those spoked wheels, you get a heap of those. This is a nice sprue that you get with the T-60, so it's got that old muffler thing, whatever that is. It's got that goes in the engine. Oh no, next to the where you fuel it up. There's that's the light front mantlet. Yeah, very nice little sprue, that one. And then they've put on a separate sprue the two side panels, which are very nice. Now you can see there a little bit of cleanup's required. There, 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 and so forth. So that's the inside you're looking at. And then we've got, yeah, this is the outside. So that's really nice. Put them back in their little baggie. So there's this sprue here. Ah, yes, so these ones are to do with the rocket launcher. So this is a new sprue that is purely for the rocket launcher. A lot of detailed little parts on it, and yeah, they've done the rocket launcher very well, to be honest, very well. And there's two little ones here, and you get two of these ones. See, look at that fine little work there. That's sort of ribbed as well, that little, yeah, you can see that little cord. So very exciting. To be honest, this might be my next project because I had such fun with the other T-60. Alright, so this is the base here. Exactly the same sprue that you get in the other T-60 fenders. That requires a lot of patience to clean up the tow cables. You see how there's no clips on it? It's all Photoetch. Front mantlets. No cleanup on this one. So they've done very well with ejector pin marks. And then you get your last two. So, now I think they've done this because it might just be easier, but they've put in the T-60 turreted version at the top. But that's the interior parts. They're the three type of front cover you get to cover the front transmission. You get some hatches. The MG is there, sorry, and that's the 2mm. They're, of course, got their holes in them in the front barrel, which is good. Pretty standard these days though. And so yeah, there'll be some, you'll have some spare parts left over. They didn't put the turret in though, so you can't make an actual proper T-60 out of it. And the last one here is the rocket tank cover, the right one there. So you put your rocket tank there and you've got the little cover there. So there's some extra bits. So this is another sprue that's new sort of, and it's got extra bits for all that. Let's just have a look, see if there's any ejector pin marks. Sort of. Two there, another one in there. Not too bad. Look at that. Isn't that a nice little part? Yeah. Well, anyway, that's the new, well, it's not new, but it's new for me. The new BM-8-24 self-propelled rocket launcher. Alright guys, I'll see you again soon.